Hi! In this video, you will learn the differences between the magicplan app and the magicplan cloud. Let's get started. If we want to create a project, we can do that both from the cloud and from the app. We are now in my magicplan cloud, so we tap on New Project, and a new project is being created. As you can see here, I have my empty project, so I could add an address. I could add a different project assignee if I have more people in my workspace. And once I'm happy, I simply exit the project. And if I want to create a project from the magicplan app, I can do that too. I will tap on New Project and voila. You can see that you can start creating a project from here. And also, you probably already saw it, you have the project that we created from the cloud right now. Just a little note, you can only create projects from the magicplan cloud if you have a paid subscription. If you're using the free version of magicplan, you can only create your 2 free projects in the magicplan app. If you then want to start editing a project, you need to be here in the magicplan app. You cannot do that in the cloud on a desktop computer. You need to be on a mobile device. So once you see this page, you can start adding a floor and creating your floor plan. If you want to see your project in 2D and 3D, you can do that both from the magicplan cloud and from the app. We are now in my cloud. We simply open a project, we enter a floor, and at the bottom we have the option 2D and 3D. And you simply switch there. Voila, and you can take a look around and move your project. You can do the same in the magicplan app. We open a project, we select a floor, and at the bottom we have the same thing, 2D view and 3D view. Voila. Once you're happy with your project, you probably want to export it. And you can export a project both from the magicplan cloud and from the app. I'm gonna start with my magicplan cloud. I select a project. We simply select a floor, and from here you see the export toggle in the upper right corner. We select that, and we can select files and sharing. And from here, we can generate the needed format. We can do the same from the magicplan app. Let me change my screen. We open the project, and here we can already export our project from this view. You see the same toggle in the upper right corner. You simply select that, and you can export your project. Little note here, you can only configure your export formats here in the magicplan app with these toggles with the 3 little lines, and then the configuration will be applied both to the export formats in the app and in the cloud. If after generating the needed export file you want to download your project, you can do that both from the magicplan cloud and from the app. I will start from my cloud. I select a project. I go down to the files section and I select the format that I would like to download. And voila, in the upper right corner, you see the toggle to download your file, and you can save it on your device. You can send it via email, and you can do what you need to do. You can do the same thing from the magicplan app. We simply select a project, we go down to the files section, we select the format that we need, and from here we can tap on the sharing arrow and we select save to files, and from here we can decide where to save our project, and also we can share it via email as a regular file. If you want instead to manage your workspaces and teams, you have to go into your magicplan cloud. You cannot do that from the app. So if I open my cloud, I simply have to go on members to add or remove any members of my workspace. If I want to invite someone new, I simply select invite members. I will add an email and I can invite that person to join. You will see the invited members here and all active members, of course, here on the main page. If instead you want to create some teams, you will go under Teams. And here I have no teams, but I could start by creating a team here. If you have more than one workspace or more teams, you can switch both in the magicplan Cloud and in the app so that you make sure that you're working in the correct place. If you're in your cloud, you want to change your workspace, you simply tap here on the workspace name and you can switch into a different workspace. And if inside the workspace you have different teams, you can tap on click here and you can filter the projects for a specific team or also a specific member. And if we then switch to our magicplan app, we can also switch the workspace here on the upper left corner. We tap on the workspace name and we switch, as simple as that. And also, if we have different teams, we can switch. Simply tap here again and you can switch in a specific team. Then, if you have a paid subscription, you can access your invoices anytime from your magicplan Cloud only. So once you access your magicplan Cloud, you will see it, you're in cloud.magicplan.app. You can select the option billing from the left side menu, and here you can download your invoices. Now, of course, I work for magicplan, so I do not have an invoice because I'm on a free trial, but in your magicplan Cloud, you will have that. And last but not least, if you want to manage your profile, so your personal account or your company information, you can do that both from the magicplan Cloud and from the app. If you're in your cloud, you simply go on profile and your account to edit the settings or the info for the language, the personal data. You can also see the connected devices. And if you want to edit your company profile, you simply select that company profile. And here you can see that you can add infos and a logo as well as a watermark. And you can do all these things also from the magicplan app. So if we switch, we tap on profile, and here under profile, we can change our personal info, and under company profile, we can edit the settings for the company profile. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that it was useful to understand a bit better what's the difference between the app and the cloud, and I will see you in our next video. Bye.